Which disease is caused by a deficiency of insulin? A. Diabetes. B. Malaria. C. Anemia. D. Hypertension. The correct answer is A. Insulin is a hormone produced by the pancreas that regulates blood sugar levels. When there is a deficiency of insulin, the body is unable to properly use and store glucose, leading to high blood sugar levels and the development of diabetes. Which vitamin is synthesized by the skin in the presence of sunlight? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin B. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin D. The correct answer is D. The skin produces vitamin D when exposed to ultraviolet B, UVB, radiation from sunlight. This process is essential for calcium absorption and bone health. What is the main purpose of the human respiratory system? A. Digestion of food. B. Circulation of blood. C. Exchange of gases. D. Removal of waste products. The correct answer is C. The primary function of the respiratory system is to facilitate the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between the body and the environment. Oxygen is inhaled and transported to the blood, while carbon dioxide is removed from the blood and exhaled. Which of the following diseases is caused by Plasmodium? A. Tuberculosis. B. Malaria. C. HIV, AIDS. D. Cholera. The correct answer is B. Malaria is a parasitic disease caused by the Plasmodium parasite, which is transmitted through the bite of infected mosquitoes. What type of joint is found in the human elbow? A. Ball and socket. B. Hinge. C. Pivot. D. Saddle. The correct answer is B. The human elbow is a hinge joint, which allows for movement in one plane, like the opening and closing of a door. Which human body system is responsible for transporting nutrients and oxygen to cells? A. Digestive system. B. Respiratory system. C. Circulatory system. D. Nervous system. The correct answer is C. The circulatory system, which includes the heart, blood vessels, and blood, is responsible for carrying oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and other essential substances throughout the body. Which macromolecule is the main source of energy for the human body? A. Carbohydrates. B. Proteins. C. Lipids. D. Nucleic acids. The correct answer is A. Carbohydrates, such as sugars and starches, are the primary source of energy for the body. They are broken down into glucose, which cells use to produce ATP, the body's main energy currency. Which component of the blood carries oxygen to the body tissues? A. Red blood cells. B. White blood cells. C. Platelets. D. Plasma. The correct answer is A. Red blood cells, or erythrocytes, contain hemoglobin, a protein that binds to oxygen and transports it from the lungs to the body's tissues. Which of the following processes occurs in the mitochondria of the cell? A. Protein synthesis. B. Cellular respiration. C. DNA replication. D. Photosynthesis. The correct answer is B. Mitochondria are known as the powerhouses of the cell because they are the sites of cellular respiration. This process converts glucose and oxygen into ATP, the cell's primary energy source. Which nutrient is primarily responsible for muscle growth and repair? A. Carbohydrates. B. Proteins. C. Fats. D. Vitamins. The correct answer is B. Proteins are essential for building and repairing tissues, including muscles. They are made up of amino acids, which are the building blocks of muscle tissue. What is the hybridization of the carbon atom in ethane? A. Sp. B. Sp2. C. Sp3. D. Sp3d. The correct answer is C. In ethane कोष्ठक C2H6, each carbon atom forms 4 sigma bonds, 3 with hydrogen atoms and 1 with the other carbon atom. This arrangement requires the carbon atoms to be sp3 hybridized to have 4 equivalent orbitals for bonding. Which of the following species can act as both an oxidizing agent and a reducing agent? A. H2O2. B. KMNO4. C. H2SO4. D. NaOH. The correct answer is A. Hydrogen peroxide कोष्ठक H2O2 can act as both an oxidizing agent and a reducing agent because the oxygen atom in H2O2 is in an intermediate oxidation state, -1. It can be oxidized to O2, oxidation state 0, or reduced to H2O, oxidation state -2. Which of the following compounds is aromatic? A. Cyclohexane. B. Benzene. C. Hexane. D. Ethene. The correct answer is B. Benzene कोष्ठक C6H6 is a classic example of an aromatic compound. It has a planar, cyclic structure with 6 delocalized pi electrons that satisfy Huckel's rule, 4n जोड़ 2 pi electrons, where n is an integer. Which of the following is used as a coolant in a nuclear reactor? A. Heavy water. B. Light water. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Helium. The correct answer is A. Heavy water, D2O, is often used as a coolant and moderator in certain types of nuclear reactors. It is effective at slowing down neutrons, which is necessary for sustaining a nuclear chain reaction. Which of the following is a biodegradable polymer? A. Polyethylene. B. Polypropylene. C. Polystyrene. D. Polylactic acid. The correct answer is D. Polylactic acid, PLA, is a biodegradable polymer derived from renewable resources, such as cornstarch or sugarcane. It can be broken down by microorganisms into natural compounds. Which of the following is the most stable allotrope of carbon? A. Diamond. B. Graphite. C. Fullerene. D. Carbon nanotube. The correct answer is A. Diamond is the most stable allotrope of carbon due to its strong, tetrahedral network of covalent bonds. Each carbon atom in a diamond is bonded to 4 other carbon atoms in a 3-dimensional lattice. Which of the following compounds is used in the Wacker process? A. Ethene. B. Propene. C. Butene. D. Pentene. The correct answer is A. The Wacker process is an industrial process for the oxidation of ethene कोष्ठक C2H4 to acetaldehyde CH3CHO using a palladium catalyst. This process is important for the production of various chemicals. Which of the following compounds is most likely to form hydrogen bonds? A. CH4. B. C. D. He. The correct answer is C. Ammonia, NH3, is most likely to form hydrogen bonds. Hydrogen bonding occurs when a hydrogen atom is bonded to a highly electronegative atom, such as nitrogen, oxygen, or fluorine, and is attracted to a lone pair of electrons on another electronegative atom. Which of the following is the hardest naturally occurring substance? A. Graphite. B. Diamond. C. Quartz. D. Feldspar. The correct answer is B. Diamond is renowned for its exceptional hardness, making it the hardest naturally occurring substance. Its hardness is attributed to the strong covalent bonds between carbon atoms in its crystal structure. Which of the following has the highest solubility in water? A. AgCl, B. NaCl, C. CaCO3, D. BaSO4. The correct answer is B. Sodium chloride, NaCl, or common table salt, has the highest solubility in water among the given options. It readily dissolves in water due to the strong electrostatic attraction between its ions, Na and Cl, and the polar water molecules. The energy of a photon is directly proportional to its A. Wavelength, B. Frequency, C. Amplitude, D. Velocity. The correct answer is B. According to Planck's equation, A equals h nu, the energy, A, of a photon is directly proportional to its frequency, nu, where h is Planck's constant. This means that photons with higher frequencies carry more energy. Which phenomenon is used in the working of a microwave oven? A. Reflection, B. Refraction, C. Diffraction, D. Absorption. The correct answer is D. Microwave ovens work by generating electromagnetic radiation, microwaves, that are absorbed by water molecules in food. This absorption causes the water molecules to vibrate and rotate, generating heat that cooks the food. In a nuclear reactor, the material used to slow down the speed of neutrons is called A. Moderator, B. Control rod, C. Fuel rod, D. Coolant. The correct answer is A. A moderator is a material used in nuclear reactors to slow down neutrons. Slowing down neutrons is essential for sustaining a nuclear chain reaction because slower neutrons are more likely to be captured by uranium nuclei, leading to fission. Which of the following electromagnetic waves has the highest frequency? A. Radio waves, B. Microwaves, C. X-rays, D. Gamma rays. The correct answer is D. Gamma rays have the highest frequency among the given options. They are a form of high-energy electromagnetic radiation emitted by radioactive nuclei and other high-energy processes. Which device is used to measure atmospheric pressure? A. Thermometer, B. Barometer, C. Hygrometer, D. Anemometer. The correct answer is B. A barometer is a scientific instrument used to measure atmospheric pressure. There are different types of barometers, including mercury barometers and aneroid barometers. The bending of light around the corners of an obstacle is called A. Reflection, B. Refraction, C. Diffraction, D. Interference. The correct answer is C. Diffraction is the phenomenon of waves bending or spreading out as they pass through an opening or around an obstacle. This is observed with various types of waves, including light waves, sound waves, and water waves. Which of the following properties of a wave is not changed by reflection? A. Amplitude, B. Wavelength, C. Frequency, D. Velocity. The correct answer is C. When a wave is reflected, its frequency remains unchanged. Reflection only changes the direction of the wave's propagation, not its inherent properties like frequency. The time taken by a geostationary satellite to complete one revolution around the Earth is A. 12 hours, B. 16 hours, C. 20 hours, D. 24 hours. The correct answer is D. A geostationary satellite orbits the Earth at the same rate as the Earth rotates, which is approximately 24 hours. This allows the satellite to remain above the same point on Earth's surface. In an electric circuit, which component stores energy in the form of an electric field? A. Resistor, B. Capacitor, C. Inductor. D. Transistor. The correct answer is B. A capacitor is an electronic component that stores energy in an electric field. It consists of two conductive plates separated by an insulating material called a dielectric. When a voltage is applied across the plates, an electric field is created, storing energy. Which of the following is the best material for making permanent magnets? A. Iron. B. Steel. C. Copper. D. Aluminum. The correct answer is B. Steel is a commonly used material for making permanent magnets because it retains its magnetism well. Certain types of steel, such as alnico and ferrite, are particularly suitable for making strong permanent magnets.